Here is the introduction of AVM application on machine tool industry. This is the overview of AVM applications on machine tool industry. The detail will show in below animations. First, turn sampling inspection into 100% inspection. The general way to perform quality inspection is do sampling inspection in industry. It does reduce the cost of measurement, but will lead to quality uncertainty. Also, user can only get the delayed measurement data after the wafer is completed. Without measurement, we can't get the value of every wafer's measurement items. How can we solve it? AVM can predict the measurement items, such as wheel aperture of every wheel in real time by data affecting product quality in production tool. Furthermore, AVM perform constantly self-learning and prediction model adjusting by new in-measurement data, and which could ease users' burden of building models. With AVM, user can get quality information of all rims, even it's unmeasurable, and turn delayed sampling inspection into inspection all in real time. Second, reduce sampling rate. For example, when the sampling rate is set to 20%, which means when 25 rims in a lot, there will be 5 rims inserted to measurement tool. But we can't ensure the quality of other 20 rims. Also, we can't reduce sampling rate due to the concern of lot quality certainty. Assume that one rim takes 10 minutes to measure. 5 rims will take 15 minutes, which means cycle time will increase 15 minutes for the measurement. In the same case, with AVM, we can get the quality information of all rims by the data affecting product quality in production tool. AVM process constantly self-learning and prediction model adjusting by new in-measurement data, which is the burden of building models. Also, with AVM, user can reduce sampling rate because now user can ensure the quality of all rims. In the assumption that it takes 10 minutes to measure each rim, if we reduce sampling rate from 20% to 8%, there will only be 2 rims be measured in this dot, and it only takes 20 minutes for measurement in this case. Measurement time will decrease from 15 minutes to 20 minutes, which reduces 60% of cycle time. Third, tool and production abnormal detect. AVM can determine if the equipment and production is abnormal through the data, which will affect product quality from process tools, and index these irregular variations such as GSI and DQIX. Once AVM determined the equipment and production is abnormal, alarm message will be sent, and user can take action according to the alarm information. With AVM, once wafer out of GSI and DQIX spec, alarm message will be sent for user to check tool status in real time.